Good morning, guys. How you doing? Coach Keon here, also known as Mr. Finance, your favorite financial educator and business coach. And today I want to talk to you about the importance of knowing the difference between having a secure account versus an unsecured account. See, many of us was taught to save for our retirement in an unsecured account known as things like a 401k, 403b, which is also known as a tax-deferred vehicle. Within your typical 401k plans, they give you no guarantees. It's a variable contract, which means that it's tied to the stock market. You will be paying taxes during your retirement upon all distributions. Your money will always be at risk due to the insecurity of it because it's tied to the market performance. There's also the 59.5 rule and the 73 rule, which means that if you take the money out before your 59.5 birthday, they're going to penalize you 10%. And if you don't start distribution by your 73 birthday, you'll get penalized 50%. There's no form of living benefits attached to this as far as like a death benefit upon passing, and it doesn't avoid probate. Now, inside of a secure account, which is also known as index accounts, this is where you place your money and it's never at risk. You have growth potential and they guarantee you to never lose money. When your money is inside of an index account, it gets credited by things like the S&P 500. You receive tax-free money during your retirement years due to the fact that you pay your taxes upon contribution. So you pay no taxes upon the gains in the later years to come. Your principals and your gains are protected, and there's no 59.5 rule and there's no 73. You also not only get access to cash where you can use upon any time, but upon passing, your family will also receive a death benefit. There are living benefits that are attached to this vehicle that allow you to get protection if you were to ever get chronic, critical, or terminal illnesses. You will be able to have access to tax-free money. And upon passing, you will never have to worry about going through probate. You won't have to pay any estate tax, inheritance tax, or anything like that. If you'd like to learn how to move from unsecured to secure, text the number below.